Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use the search pop-up unit converter on Opera GX. Now the unit search pop-up can do a lot of things apart from just converting currencies. It can be used for unit conversion also. Now how? It helps convert between imperial and metric units of measurement such as feet to meters, gallons to liters or vice versa, pounds to grams, vice versa, and so on. Celsius and Fahrenheit are also included. Whenever a unit of value in either imperial or metric form is highlighted, the corresponding converted value will appear in the search pop-up. For the unit converter to work properly, the corresponding unit symbol must be highlighted with a number. Now you can copy the converted value to your clipboard by hovering your pointer over the value and clicking the revealed copy button. Here is a list of units which Opera can convert. You can see them right here. Now to turn on this feature or to set it, what you do is, first of all, let's start from the home page. Right click, click on settings, and then click on features. Scroll all the way down until you see search pop-up. And once you see it, make sure it is enabled, and this is for the units. Make sure it is turned on. If you don't use anymore, just turn it off. It's as simple as that. So now when you're searching on any part, anywhere you're reading an article or doing anything on the browser and this particular unit you need to convert, just hover your cursor over it and it will pop up. Right click on copy and to convert to the units. It's as simple as that.